Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Long time no vlog, I guess. We're doing Joshua's 6-month photo shoots. Nothing serious. We're just trying to shop a little bit for his photo shoot. Just get him a few things, his cake, decorations for the photo shoot and all. Just because it's 6 months, I just want it to be a little bit more, let's say, special than the ones we've been doing. So we've been keeping track of his birthdays by the month, and we'll be keeping track of it, and just want to see how we can make. I just want to see how we can make this particular 6 months a little bit different, and of course the 1 year birthday will be like different as well. So just carry you guys along with us, okay? Uncle Boo, say hi to the camera. So which one should we do?
Let's do the white
That's
one.
4 July. This one, cookies and cream.
Yeah, that one is fine. Or
Yeah, I
the
like this one.
or the white one.
This one. The flavor ni
Okay,
vanilla.
chocolate is fine.
I believe it's something like what I need. Something simple. August nights. Okay.
We can hardly come here and this woman doesn't buy clothes for her son.
What?
Don't buy clothes again.
Clothes. He's always in need of clothes.
It's fine, I'm not complaining. I'm not even complaining at all.
Hi guys. So we are here with the celebrants.
Hey!
With the latest 6-month-old baby in town.
Such a big boy.
Actually, the last time you guys saw him, he was so tiny. But look at him
Such
now.
a big boy.
And guys, I mean, we've not been shooting content because I've not been feeling well, you know.
It's
But
not only that.
even my husband actually.
We're both sick.
We're both sick.
But you are sick for a long time.
Yeah. So guys, just make sure you go and watch all of our other videos I have not seen before. And yes, we just decided to do this vlog for you guys, and
Anytime
you have a little bit of fun.
Updates. Use it to go and catch up. I beg.
Anyway, so moving on with this vlog, we're gonna just take his regular pictures and then do a little bit of photo shoot and do the video that we usually do every month with him.
Okay, we have to do that one too.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. But we didn't buy cupcake for it.
No, this is what we'll use now.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. I usually try to do a video. Cute Mr. Fabi. Who's the 6-month-old?
We say it's part on your back.
Oh God.
Enjoy this.
Who's the 6-month-old? Joshua. You are going to have to do that please because I need direct pictures. Joshua, my baby
Yeah,
boy. Ah, Joshi. Okay, let me take some pictures now.
Such a cutie. Is your hairstyle for me?
Joshua, look at me. Look at see. Joshua. Hi.
Get him to laugh.
Joshua.
Let me come and tickle him.
No, it's
Let me tickle him.
see.
Yeah, try this one. You see the difference.
Yeah, move on. Baba. Joshi.
Sister Bay, oh yeah, snap. I need to get back to work.
I want to just be showing.
Joshy. Josh Bobo.
See. Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Back. Oh God, don't fall down.
Hey, wait. Let's say about backdrop.
Have you gotten enough?
I've got it some. Let me just try again. One more time.
This is hard work. How will it now be when he's a year old?
At least a year old you can stand.
Oh yeah, just try.
Don't follow.
Babe, get very nice photos. Oh.
Hi guys, so that's the end of our mini vlog.
It's a very short one.
Very short one. We just said we should show our faces. I'll show this cute boy at 6 months.
I mean, it's been a while. Like she said, we were sick. She was sick. Do you want to tell them what happened?
I mean, I was down with a cold and then there's several other symptoms.
Like where you had to go twice?
Yeah, I had to go to the emergency twice.
Two
But
times.
then, at least I'm better now,
But
thank
yeah.
God.
So guys, we really want to do this, and
This is
once
just
we
us
have,
showing our faces.
yeah, once we have our strength back, of course we'll get back on track. But for now, just binge watch all the old ones that you've missed. All right, just
Yeah.
enjoy the previous videos. I'm sure not all of you who are here have seen all our videos. They are very old ones,
Especially in recent times.
especially the new subscribers. So please, just no new video doesn't mean you don't have videos to watch. So please go do that, and don't forget to go to our website and provide your emails. Subscribe to the newsletter because something is coming very soon,
Yep.
and you don't want to miss out on that.
Yep.
All right, see you later
See you
in
guys.
the next episode. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Joshua, say bye.
Bye. Happy 6 months to you. Happy 6 months to you. Happy 6 months, my Joshi. Happy 6 months to you. Bye bye, guys.
Bye, guys.